So today we are going to see engine testing lab experiment, slow speed diesel engine with mechanical test loading. First we will see the engine and what are the parts present in the engine. We will move on to the engine side. So this is the fuel tank which consists of fuel, and you can see the burette, and nearby the fuel tank burette is there, which shows the level of amount of fuel present in the fuel tank, and you can see the temperature indicator. Okay, lot of sensors are provided inside the engine to measure the temperature of various parts, and you can see U-tube manometer which is controlled to the air stats tank, which actually shows the level of how much amount of air is consumed while running the experiment. Next we move on to the flywheel. So flywheel is a part to store the energy, and from the fuel tank fuel is supplied to the fuel filter. Next fuel lock system is there. Next it is connected to the fuel injector. Okay, and this is the thermocouple which measures the water inlet temperature, and the speed of the engine is measured by the means of measured by the means of sensor provided here. Okay, so there are actually main aim of the engine to find the retardation test. Retardation test means while we are adding load, how much amount of reduction in speed we are going to calculate. Okay, from that what are the parameter we are going to find out? Is known as performance parameter. So we are going to find out the indicated mean effective pressure, brake mean effective pressure, mechanical efficiency, brake thermal efficiency, and indicated thermal efficiency. Finally, we are going to plot a graph between the engine load versus indicated mean effective pressure, engine load versus brake mean effective pressure, engine load versus mechanical efficiency, engine load versus brake thermal efficiency, and indicated thermal efficiency. So next we are going to start the engine, and we are going to note down the following readings. Okay, so in that we are going to maintain 4 loads. First we are working the engine without adding the load. By adding the load, we are going to find out the drop in we are going to measure how much speed it is running, and time taken for 5 ml of fuel consumption, and exhaust gas temperature, and water outlet temperature, and mass flow rate of the manometer, initial head to the final head. Okay, next we are going to start the engine. So we are seeing how the engine has been started using the flywheel. So now the engine has been started. So we are going to note down the reading for 5 ml decrease of the fuel. How much amount? 5 ml decrease of the fuel. So initially it is at 5.
So for 5 ml of fuel consumption, we need to record the timing. So for that, just close the fuel flow from tank to burette. Just close the fuel flow or cut off the fuel flow from tank to burette. So just observe your fuel level indication. So it's crossing 8. So 8 minus 5, 12. So after crossing 12, so we should note down the time consumption. So from 8 to 12, so it's a totally 5 ml of fuel consumption. So for 5 ml of fuel consumption, just note down the time taken in terms of seconds. Actually, it crosses 12, so it's about 78 seconds for the 5 ml of fuel consumption. So it's 78 seconds for the 5 ml of fuel consumption. Next, note down the speed also. So it's showing a 779. It's around 780. 780. So 780 is the engine RPM under no load condition. That is a zero load condition. Next, also we should note down exhaust gas temperature and water outlet temperature. So actually here 101, that is the T3. T3 indicates the exhaust gas outlet temperature. It's around 101 degrees Celsius. The exhaust gas temperature. Next, water outlet temperature. So water outlet temperature is showing around 31 degrees Celsius. 31 degrees Celsius. Actually water inlet is atmospheric temperature around 27 degrees Celsius. Next, manometer reading should be taken for the fuel, that is the mass flow rate of air into engine intake. So one side, this side is showing a 5 and this side is showing 15. So H1 take a maximum as H1 and minimum as 5. So this one is in terms of mm. Manometer reading or YouTube manometer reading in terms of mm. So after this, just switch on or just open the fuel flow circuit from tank to burette, so that continuous flow of fuel from tank to engine without crossing burette. So repeat the same procedure for different loads. Actually just now we recorded all these readings for zero load condition. Similarly for 2 load condition or 4 load and 6 load acting on a breakdown. So repeat the same procedure. So we will show how the load will be acting. How for the 2 load, that is the 2 kg of load is set on the engine.